Hello everyone, this is
Team Atlantes
presenting to you Deals on the Go. The main focus of the application is to give you deals information wherever you go. Let's launch the application here. This is the splash screen and you can immediately see the list of deals that are closer to you based on your GPS location. This list orders the deals by the distance as well as the number of votes each deal has. Currently, we are in a conference room in a Microsoft building right across 148 and 40th intersection. So you can see that it presents you a list of deals that is close to this location, which is Fred Meyer comes out on top, which is just 1.16 miles from here. And you can also see that it has got 31 votes. You can scroll to the left or right on the pivot control to see the deals filtered by specific categories. So this screen shows you all the deals offered by restaurants, and this screen shows you all the deals offered by apparel stores. To view more details of a deal, you can tap on that specific deal on the list. So for example, if we tap on the Fred Meyer, it shows the barcode corresponding to the deal, so you can just show up at the store and show this at the counter and get it scanned to avail the deal. If you look close to the bottom, there is an application bar with a set of actions that you can take, and there is a view map action, tapping on which you can see the deals in a map view. So in the maps view, you can see that it shows you all the deals that you saw on the previous screen. So you can tap on a push pin to view the details of that particular deal. Once you're in the details screen, if you wanted to look at the driving directions to that particular business, you can click on the directions button on the application bar. So it's loading up and there you go. So from where we are, Fred Meyer is just a straight line. So now you can go back to the details screen, and from here you can, if you like the deal, you can vote up the deal, and you can see that if you go back to the details screen, you can see that Fred Meyer has got 31 votes. We have a separate settings button using which you can change different settings of the app. There are two different settings on the settings page. So the first one is the categories, where you can select the list of categories that you're interested in looking at the deals for. So for example, now we can turn off the grocery and we can turn on the movies, and once you tap OK, the list will update itself to only show the categories that you've selected. And if you scroll to the right, you will see that only those categories that you've selected appear now. Going back to the settings screen, you can also there is another settings called the location, using which you can select that the app not use your current GPS location, but instead, if you wanted to look at the deals for a particular location, you can turn off the GPS setting and you can enter a location. So for example, we'll enter Bellevue. Okay, so we've entered Bellevue, and once you hit OK, it goes back and refreshes the details, and you can see how the distance of the deals got updated. Now going back to the top deals, we wanted to show that the list of deals, the order in which the deals are shown, have changed. So for now, JCPenney comes out on top because it's just 0.48 miles from the center of Bellevue. Now that we've entered a custom location, you can see that one of the application bar buttons, which is to refresh the current GPS location, gets disabled. So now we'll go into the settings screen and re-enable your GPS. Coming back to the list page, it shows that the refresh button is enabled, and the list has repopulated based on the current location.